Most of the time, it's phones and laptops that I get to try out. But when a different kind of gadget shows up, something that is exciting, I can't wait to dive in. And today is definitely one of those days. I hope you have a cup of chai with you because that's the best way to watch this video, with a cup of chai. This is Appliance 2.0, a smart cooking companion. See, the moment I saw it, I knew that it is not a typical kitchen gadget. It looks and feels futuristic, is packed with a lot of tech and built to actually make life easier. And honestly, it does exactly that. I think of it as a game changer for cooking, which is actually difficult for a lot of people. Take me for example. I don't cook often, and whenever I cook, I can only make very basic dishes. But with this gadget, I can make difficult dishes with ease. Basically, it helps me make healthy home cooked food without the mess or the stress. My wife and I have been using it for the past few days, and honestly, we are surprised at what all it can do. Let's start with the question, what is Appliance 2.0? Appliance 2.0 is a smart cooking companion, and what's cool is that it is designed and built right here in India. So this is actually the upgraded second version of this product, and you can say that they've refined it a lot. So what does it do exactly? It basically can take you from chopping and stirring all the way to a finished dish all in one jar. It's not just about convenience, it actually helps one cook better. There are over 750 guided recipes across 34 cuisines built into the app. Essentially, it can make dal, biryani, ramen, or even pasta. It walks you through every step and does the heavy lifting. In this version, they've added a manual mode as well, which basically gives you full control over the cooking process. So if someone is a pro like my wife, she can take control of the entire cooking process. It's just a swipe away. In manual mode, she can actually control the amount of heat, stirring, etc. Basically exactly like a kadai. And the best part is that as compared to the previous version, this one is up to 40% faster, and that is clearly noticeable while cooking. It saves a lot of time. For me, the best thing is that I can cook healthy home cooked food without any hassle. Now let's talk a little bit about the tech of this device. At the heart of Appliance.ai is UpAI. It is the brand's patented technology that powers temperature control, blade precision, and recipe guidance to ensure consistent results, all driven by real cooking science. This is the main technology that brings the hardware and software together. Then we have the display and the app. The first part is the display, which can be used to interact with this device. It has a very simple and clean UI. With over 750 recipes available, the variety is truly impressive. One more good thing is that I can select a recipe on the app and send it directly to Appliance 2.0. The integration is seamless, and from the app itself, I can pause, unpause, or stop the cooking. Now, what about recipes that are available on YouTube? So Appliance has done something really cool here. I can literally copy the link of a YouTube video, say for my favorite recipe, and I can paste it into the app. Now the app will convert that YouTube video into a step-by-step recipe, which then I can cook using Appliance 2.0. That is incredible and opens up a world of possibilities in terms of the recipes that I can cook with Appliance 2.0. Then we have the smart jar and the weighing scale. The smart jar is where the magic happens. It comes with a number of attachments for different recipes and is made of stainless steel with a glass lid. So premium materials which are also food safe. And this is perfect for peeking while cooking. Compared to the previous model, this feels far more upscale. Now, apart from that, there is a built-in weighing scale as well. So the weighing scale can be used to weigh the ingredients before we put them into the jar. And the weighing scale also shows me the macros, the amount of protein, fiber, fats in that ingredient. I can see the macros and basically customize the dish accordingly. And the same recipe actually comes with various options as well. If I want a high protein option or high fiber option, I can select that and the recipe will be adjusted accordingly. Basically, Appliance 2.0 offers incredible speed and convenience. Now, for the cook today, we already have all the ingredients ready here, and the next step is to weigh the ingredients. So 8 grams, it's at 143 grams and 199. Oh, we exactly had 200 grams actually. So that is incredible. So the weighing is done, and this is the amount of paneer that I need. Finally, we get to the actual cooking process, and I will swipe on the screen, and it says that first step is to add cinnamon powder and refined oil to the jar. So let's go ahead and do that. So here goes the cinnamon, and now goes the refined oil. So both the ingredients have been added. I will press next. Now it says that ensure that the crown is off and we need to saute them. So the crown should be off, it should not be on. So I'll keep the crown outside, and let's press start. Now while the sauteing process is on, it tells me that get the other ingredients ready. Alright, next thing to add to the jar are onions, garlic and green chili, and start. Let me just show you how finely it has chopped the onion. So I will just open up the lid and you can see inside how finely the onion has been chopped. So again, I will, put the lid on, and the crown should not be on. So I'll just remove the crown beforehand. Now I can chill for 6 minutes. Sauteing is done, and the next step is to add ingredients like tomato, besan flour, water, salt, Kashmiri mirch, sugar and kasuri methi. Lot of ingredients to add. Let's add them one by one. Let's press next. Again, it's going to cook for 7 minutes and the crown should be on. Lid, then goes the crown, and start. Now the next ingredients are paneer and butter, but I have a good 7 minutes to chill until this is cooking. I don't know if you can see, it's cooking really well actually. I'll take the spatula and start scraping this beautiful gravy that it has just made. I mean, it looks incredible, yeah. Now adding paneer to the jar. This is the main ingredient, and start cooking. So as you can see, beautiful kadai paneer is ready, and now I'm going to serve it into this bowl here. And now I will just pour it onto this beautiful bowl here. I really cannot believe that I have made this dish, because this looks like it has been made by some pro chef or pro cook. But I don't know anything about cooking. I don't cook often. The maximum I do is grilled cheese sandwich or a Maggi sometimes. But this dish is absolutely incredible, and the fact that I could do this without any prior experience is absolutely incredible. Now we are going to go ahead and have this beautiful portion of kadai paneer with some roti and butter. And then I'll see you after that, because I'm really hungry. Now this is actually the second version of Appliance. So what are the major differences between Appliance 1.0 and Appliance 2.0? Let's talk about that. See, first and foremost, we have the cooking time. Appliance 2.0 is up to 40% faster than Appliance 1.0. For example, kadai paneer took only 25 minutes for cooking with Appliance 2.0, but the same dish will take 37 minutes with Appliance 1.0. See, this is mainly possible because of the increase in heating capacity and software control. It is actually faster than cooking in a normal kadai as well. So that is incredible. Also, the max temperature that Appliance 2.0 can go to is up to 160 degrees Celsius. Now, the next difference is manual mode. See, as I showed you the demo, manual mode allows you to take control of the cooking. It's just one swipe away. Basically, it is exactly like cooking in a kadai, but with way more convenience and control. We actually loved using manual mode. Now, the next difference is ingredient smart swap. See, Appliance 2.0 gives you the option of swapping certain ingredient groups. For example, the same recipe can have a higher protein option or higher fiber option or low oil option, or maybe a kid-friendly option as well. Can be super useful for people who have a strict diet to follow. Also, you can easily swap out paneer for tofu in the kadai paneer recipe if you follow a vegan diet. The recipe team over at Appliance have considered most of these dietary preferences. Next difference is app control. Appliance 2.0 comes along with a companion app which can be used to control everything about this gadget. The app can also be used to search recipes on YouTube and turn it into a step-by-step guide instantly. See, I think that is an awesome feature to have. It opens up a lot of possibilities, especially for custom recipes. And as I showed you, it also has one-tap ingredients list. So I can just copy the ingredients list from the app and just order them right away. Also, the cooking progress can be tracked from within the app. There are options to pause, start or stop the cooking right from the app. Alright, it is time to conclude my thoughts about Appliance 2.0. You saw how easy it was to cook with this gadget, right? I don't have any major cooking experience whatsoever. I'm a very basic level cook. And despite that, I could cook a very tasty portion of kadai paneer. And I think we are going to use this gadget a lot in our daily lives. It is super simple to use and actually works and produces great dishes. I would definitely recommend this gadget to people who want to have healthy home cooked food but don't have a lot of cooking experience and don't have the time to learn that as well. This is a good use of technology. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because that would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye bye.